empty chair across the table, echoes in the room. Shadow stands on barren walls, once with the melodies of you.
Good morning and welcome back to another fall video. As you can see, I'm in my little fall pajamas from American Eagle and they're just the coziest and comfiest thing ever. I'm in my kitchen right now. It's 9:40 in the morning and I'm hungry, so of course we're gonna start off with making some breakfast and also a coffee, because what type of video would this be if we didn't have a little fall inspired breakfast? I'm very excited for today because I got this new pancake mix from Trader Joe's, which let me get it. And of course it's pumpkin themed, so this is the pumpkin pancake and waffle mix. It looks like this. I feel like it's gonna be really good. I also want to make some sausage with it, and then I'm also going to try out this apple pie spread. I don't know if I want to put this in my coffee and kind of make like an apple pie pumpkin inspired coffee, or if I want to use it as a syrup on my pancakes, but I think either way it'll be really good. I got this from Trader Joe's and it seems promising. So to start off this video, of course we're gonna make a little fall inspired breakfast and light a fall candle while doing it to really get into that fall mood, because I'm so excited for these cozy fall vlogs to really start. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of preparing for fall, but now we're just really getting into actually being in fall and continuing all of my cozy vlogs, if that makes sense.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch. Guess I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here and contemplate.
I just finished up on breakfast. This coffee is just a pumpkin coffee with caramel, pumpkin syrup, apple pie spread, whipped cream, pumpkin cold foam on top, and some cinnamon. And then these are just pumpkin pancakes and some sausage. And the apple pie spread smells so good. I'm so excited to give this all a try. I just finished breakfast and now it's time to do something I've been waiting to do for so long, and I'm very excited about it. This portion of the video is actually sponsored by Teddy Blake, which I'm screaming. I love Teddy Blake so much. If you don't know what Teddy Blake is, they are an Italian handbag company, and when I tell you they make the most luxury dream designs I could have ever imagined. The quality and the effort put into these bags is amazing. Teddy Blake has a team of Italian designers that are pitched from well-known luxury brands, and the really cool thing is that they all work together to create really beautiful handbags that are for every style choice. Another thing I really like is their bags are all made from premium Italian leather, so within every bag you'll have that luxury feel and smell of real leather as well. As I mentioned before, the quality of them is amazing and all of them are made in Italy. Whenever I receive a Teddy Blake handbag, it's always handled with so much care and I never have any issues with the leather wearing, which is something I really appreciate because I want my bag to last a long time, and I will say Teddy Blake's really does last a long time. I worked with them a few years ago and I still have that bag and it's in perfect condition. So when I tell you it's really good quality, they're cute, they're stylish, and it's 100% worth it, I mean it. I will have everything linked down below, and I will also have my discount code on the screen right here. Definitely be sure to check them out because their handbags do not disappoint. And the whole reason I wanted to share this with you is because I just got my new fall handbag and I'm so excited about it. So this is what it came in. Such a pretty cute bag. It says Teddy Blake New York, and then when I open it, it's a little unboxing we're gonna do together. I am obsessed. Look at this beautiful handbag. I'll have the name of this one on the screen below and also in the description box, but this is the most beautiful handbag I've ever seen. We're gonna go through the whole entire thing together because why wouldn't we? So this is what the handbag looks like with everything off. It has a very good amount of room inside, which I really love, and I also like how beautiful the bag looks. I think the color is perfect for fall and I'm obsessed with it. I also wanted to mention that it also comes with a bigger strap, so if I wanted to have the purse kind of like hang a little bit lower, I could by just attaching this strap. Again, like I said, beautiful leather, smells amazing, and is really like that luxury style purse. I think this would be so cute as like a work bag, even an everyday bag for fall, and I am very excited about it, and I'm so grateful to have a new little fall purse because the color is amazing, it's screaming autumn, and the quality is 100% worth it. So thank you again to Teddy Blake for sponsoring this part of the video, and definitely be sure to check out all of their different styles because like I said before, there's so many different styles on the website and you'll definitely find a style that you will like. Now that that's been said, I wanted to add a little spice to the handbag. I have this really cute bag charm. This is from American Eagle, and I think it would be so cute to spice up fall on the purse and kind of just put it right here, which I think is gonna be so cute. And now when I zip the purse, I have a cute little bag charm on my Teddy Blake purse, and I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna go put everything in this purse that I want to take with me as my everyday purse. I cannot wait to continue to use it throughout the fall season, and I also think it's gonna match with a lot of things not in the fall season as well, so I'm very excited about this. I am going to go get ready really quick, just do like some light makeup, and then we're gonna go to Target, and I'll be taking my cute little bag with me. I want to do some fall shopping, but I also want to make some boo baskets. I have a few things I want to do. So my boyfriend's cousin Gianna's birthday is today actually, and I want to go and make her a little boo basket, happy birthday basket. And then I also want to make my friends Brianna and Madison a boo basket as well. I did start doing this in one of my last videos. I went to TJ Maxx and got some of the stuff I wanted to get, but I want to go to Target now that more of their fall stuff is out and get some more stuff there as well. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna quickly do something with my hair, probably put it back in a braid, and then we're gonna go to Target, and I'll also insert the TJ Maxx footage I have from a couple weeks ago as well. So let me go get ready, and then we're gonna go fall shop and make some boo baskets because I love boo baskets. I think they're so cute, and I love gift giving, so I think it'll be fun.
Stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground, you rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, forever be.
I just got back from Target and TJ Maxx, and I was able to finally complete all of my boo basket stuff. As I mentioned before, I did get some stuff a while ago, but I have 3 boo baskets and I'm excited. So we're gonna go through and I'm gonna show everything I got while I'm making the boo basket. So starting off strong, we have tissue paper. I just did the orange, white, and black one for the spirit of Halloween. I'm gonna start off with Gianna's basket. As I mentioned before, this is going to be also for a birthday gift. So for her basket, I got this little black basket, and I think for this one I'm gonna do orange tissue paper just to add a little bit of color. I'm just gonna plop it on the bottom here. Cute. So for the basket, the first thing I got is this really cute blanket. The theme that I wanted to go for was obviously fall with a little bit of Halloween, so I got this really cute blanket from Target that I think she's gonna really like, and I'm just gonna put that in the basket. The next thing I got is from TJ Maxx. It's this cinnamon roll body butter. It smells really good. I think she's gonna like it. Going along with that, I also got a little candle. This one's from Target. It's the pumpkin bourbon candle. It smells so good. I'm obsessed with it. It's a candle that has peach and vanilla in it. Next from TJ Maxx, I got this little skincare headband with little ghosts on it. I know she loves doing her makeup and also her skincare, so I got her this. I think she'll really like it. I'm trying to make this look aesthetic, but I feel like the basket might be too small. We're gonna try. So far, this is what it's looking like. Next thing, I had to get a little candy, so I got these marshmallow pumpkin peeps. I think she'll like these. I'm not really sure if she loves marshmallows, but I hope she does. Then I had to get some stickers. Personally, I love stickers. stickers. I think there's so many cute things you can do with them, so I am giving all of my friends stickers. Next, I got this little notebook. This is from Gilmore Girls. It's just the little coffee that says Luke's, and I think she'll like it, so I'm gonna put this in the back of the basket. Next, I got this from TJ Maxx. It is a vanilla, honey, almond, sweet mint, pumpkin spice, and maple syrup lip kit, which I feel like is always good to add in a little basket. Next, this came in a pack of, I believe, 5, but I'm splitting it up between all of my friends. I'm gonna give her these little socks. I did the little ghost with the bow and then some orange ones as well. These are from TJ Maxx and they're honestly pretty good quality. And this is what her little boot basket looks like. I do wish it looked a little bit more aesthetic, but it's a thought that counts. And I think it's still really, really cute. So this is the first one. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. This one has a lot of stuff in it because everything was just reminding me of her when I got it. So first things first, we're starting with this basket. This is again from Target. It's a little bit smaller, which maybe I should have got a big one for her as well, but we're gonna try to make it work. Starting off, I'm gonna do black and white tissue paper. Look at how cute that is. And we're just gonna put it on the bottom. I'm gonna put these slippers in first. Look at how cute these slippers are. These remind me of like the Pillsbury little slippers. I think she's gonna love them. And I'm gonna put them in facing up, so kind of like that. Then I also got her this really cute pair of pumpkin pajamas. I posted a video wearing my pair and she really liked them, and I found another set, so I wanted to get her them as well. So we're just gonna put that in the basket. I definitely feel like I should have got a bigger basket, but we're gonna try and make it work. Got her these white chocolate hot drinks, and they're little pumpkins and they have mini marshmallows inside. I think she's gonna really like those. I also got her this candy corn cup. Look at how cute this is. I think it's adorable. She loves collecting glasses, so I saw this and I knew I needed to get it for her. Inside of that cup, I'm going to put her socks. I'm giving her these little socks out of the pack, which I think are so cute, and again, very, very good quality. I'm gonna put that in the cup just to save room. Next, I got her this Witch's Brew Alani. She likes energy drinks and goes to the gym a lot, so I got her this one, and it's on theme for Halloween. Next, I got her this spider keychain. I think this will be really cute for her to put on her purse. I got her some Tic Tacs. I got the orange flavor for Halloween. I also got her this to-do list notepad because she works in a school, so I thought it would be a little cute thing for her to keep at her desk. The pajamas came with this little sleeping mask, so I'm gonna throw this in there as well. Wait, this is actually turning out so cute. I love it. I got her these little Boo Piper K clips. I think these are adorable. These are from TJ Maxx. I also got her some pumpkin peeps. This is so cute and she's definitely gonna love it. I also got her this candle, but it's not gonna fit in the Boo basket, so I'm just gonna give her the candle outside of the Boo basket. But this one is pumpkin spice cupcakes from Target and it smells amazing. I think she's gonna love it. And then since Gianna's basket is more of a birthday gift, I didn't get a card for it, but for my 2 friends, I got this little card that says Boo, and I'm gonna write a little note in it. And then I am giving her some stickers as well inside of the card. Now we're gonna move on to the next basket, which I'm excited about as well. I think for this one, we'll do orange paper. This one's for my friend Madison. So the first thing I got is this Life's Short Talk Fast little notebook from Gilmore Girls. I have one of these and I know she loves Gilmore Girls, so I think she's really gonna like that. I also got her this Harvest Apple and Leaves candle. It smells really good. And this is the scent of leaves and cedar wood, which I think she's gonna really like. She loves autumn just like me, so I saw it and I was like, I need to get that. She also loves candy, so I got these Nerds gummy clusters. These are one of my favorite candies ever, and I know she loves them. And then I also got her these little candies as well. These are Sour Bats gummy bears. Next, I also got her a little skincare headband. She loves doing her makeup as well, so I thought this would be cute, and the ghosts on it are adorable. I got her pumpkin peeps. I did also get her this Boo card, and then again has stickers in it. I know that she absolutely loves stickers, so I wanted to give her a lot of stickers. I got her another little candle because she has her own apartment, and I thought this would be really cute to have in her apartment for fall. I got her this cup. I know she loves coffee, and I feel like this is just so cute, so I wanted to pick this up for her as well. And then I got her some socks as well. I do have another pair that I have to find. I have no idea where they went, but these as well. I am waiting on one more thing to come in the mail that I ordered for her basket, but this is her little basket, and I think she's gonna love it. That's everything I got for all of my baskets. I am so excited to give them to my friends and to Gianna. She is Chad's cousin, if I didn't mention that, but we're really close and I think she's gonna love it. The only other thing I got that I wanted to show from TJ Maxx is this little cute pumpkin sweat set. It has little pumpkins and bows on it, and it comes with a little sock. I absolutely love this. I got this for myself and I cannot wait to wear it, especially because it's like a matching sweat short set, which I think is adorable. But But those are my little boo baskets. I like them. I think my friends are gonna love them, and I'm excited to give them. It's that time of the night where we're gonna do some fall baking. I have this funfetti mix from Target. It's just a regular funfetti mix, but it has the Halloween sprinkles, and then I also have the Halloween frosting as well. I wanna try to do like a Pinterest inspired cake. I'll put a little picture on the screen right here. I've been trying to do it for a while and it never turns out right, so hopefully today we can make it look cute.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
It is much later now. I ended up frosting my cake and I tried to decorate it the best that I can. I'm not the best at decorating cakes, but I did write Hello Fall on it to kind of match the Hello September theme that I was going for my cake. Now I'm gonna get ready for bed. I have this really cute headband that I love wearing. I think it's from American Eagle. I got it last year to take off my makeup, and I also wanted to do a little bit of skincare tonight. So I have a lot of my skincare in here. I also just got this new toasted vanilla and honey body wash that was in Native's fall collection, which I'm very excited to try. I feel like it's going to be really good and it smells amazing. I have my little fall candle that we're going to put on. I have my fall inspired perfume. This is from Aeropostale. It's called Cake, but it's sugary caramel and toasted coconut creamy musk. And then I also have my little fall pajamas I'm going to wear tonight, which are just these little pants from Target. Very excited to do a little bit of skincare and get my makeup off. I'm going to put on a little fall candle and then we're going to get ready for bed. Shower. I'm wearing my little flannel pants and I'm gonna put on these little pumpkin socks I got from TJ Maxx just to kind of be in the theme still. They're also very comfortable. And then we're gonna put on my little perfume, which personally I think smells so good. And I'm gonna brush my teeth off camera, but I'm just gonna brush through my hair and put it in a braid because I actually have to get dental work done tomorrow. Not excited about it. I have to get a cavity filled that I'm very scared for. I've never had a cavity ever. And tomorrow I have to get my first one filled. So not looking forward to that. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. I had a very fun fall day and I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to check out Teddy Blake. I will have all the information down below, and again my discount code on screen right here. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. I am so excited about this purse. I can't even tell you guys, especially with the little customizations that we made to it by literally just the bag itself, but also adding a cute little bag charm to it. I think that was adorable, so thank you again to them for sending that over. I'm obsessed with it and can't wait for it to be my new fall bag, so definitely be sure to go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.